Good morning YouTube, it's Jules Craft Room and Sweet Things by Amy. And where are we off to, Amy?
The craft show.
Yes.
Is it Ali Pali?
It is at the Ali Pali and the coach has just arrived.
So we're going to get on the coach
and
we'll show you what we get up to today. We're here.
Yeah, exciting.
We've arrived. We'll turn you round as we walk up to the venue. Some people are getting tests. We've got passports, so we're lucky.
Yeah.
We've got our vaccination passports. Right, we're going in.
Right, see you in a bit. We're only at Cool Crafting and Luna.
It's literally a stall for Luna.
Yeah, let's get closer. Oh, I'm in heaven. Right, so I'm back. Oh, it was a long day, very tiring by the time we got back. I think it's about 10 o'clock at night now. But anyway, I thought I'd show you what I got. It's mainly Luna. I did get a, I don't know if you remember, the Nitty Critters. And I did a crochet giraffe for my grandson Josh, and I got the it's the red gong, and it's, I'll put a picture up here, so it's very Christmassy. They didn't actually have it, they sold out at the show, but he said they'd post it to me, so I got that. And Amy got the my daughter Amy, she got the whale, and I'll put a picture up there. So, which I was quite surprised because she's never crocheted in her life, so that'll be interesting. But it seemed the easiest of them to do, so I'm sure she'll be fine. And then, of course, we got to Cool Crafting, and Sarah Peel was there, and I just got carried away. So what did I get? I got the new book, and I got it signed. So, so there you are. It says, to Julie, enjoy Luna's new friends, Sarah Peel. So, yes, I'm well chuffed with that. And as you can see, it's got the fox, which is absolutely beautiful. It's got a little dog. It's got the ram and the sheep, and of course Luna, and the reindeer. So I got tempted with this lovely little dress. So of course the patterns in the book, I just had to buy, where is it? I just had to buy the material kit. So that was £7.50, so that wasn't too bad, because obviously the patterns in the book. So it was worth it. The other thing is I got the what did I get? I got the fox. I got the fox because of that tail, and I thought I can't get the bits otherwise. But again, it was 15, whereas it would have been 25 if I needed the pattern, but I didn't need the pattern because it was in the book. So yes, so I got the pattern for the fox, and I thought I'll get the pattern because I need the tail and the other bits and pieces. Now I decided that I wanted to make the deer, so I just got the appropriate beige fabric, which was £4.50, and I've got some white from a previous time. So and because the pattern's in here, I'm going to make that, and all you need is a bit of black for the eyes and the nose. So I thought I've got enough for that, so I can do that myself. I then thought I'd like the dog, so I just got some brown, and I thought with the white I already had, I could do the dog. So I'm going to have a go at doing those. Yeah, but my best one was the fox, because she's gorgeous. And then I saw this. My daughter saw this, Amy, and she said, "Oh, you've got to get that, Mum." She said it's a really special velvet coat and dress, and they've got it in blue here, but we saw that they did it in a tartan and red velvet. I thought that was really Christmassy. So yes, so I got that, and I had to get that with the pattern because I didn't have the pattern, it wasn't in the book. And then I thought, well, you know, I've been there, I've saved, I didn't have to pay for postage, so I got these little knickers for her for a £5. So I got to make those up. So, and you got the pattern with that. So yeah, so all in all, I'm really excited. So I've got lots to do. Love this little book. So don't know what I'm going to make next. I've already got what is it? I've got Wilhelmina cut out, and I've got Clementine cut out. I was going to give Wilhelmina to one of my granddaughters, but her dad said she'd prefer Luna, so I made her a Luna instead. So Wilhelmina's sort of just sitting on the table waiting to be put together for no one at the moment, so she'll be mine for the time being. And Clementine is for my other granddaughter, who's 4, and she's in Cyprus, lives in Cyprus, so I'll be giving it to her for Christmas when they come over. So yeah, so I think that's it. Saw some other lovely things which I did get booklets on. This Snakes and Ladders, where is it? Got a picture on the front here. Yes, it's not very clear on here, not very big, so I don't know if you can see, but it's this one here, and that is cross stitch. And yeah, and he said it's about 100 hours to do it. That's a long time. So it must have been, no, 100 days I think he said his wife took to do it. So yeah, that would take a while, so I'll think about that. Well, I've grown up, and grandchildren will have kids of their own by the time I get round to doing that. And then I also saw these blankets, which I was quite taken with. Beautiful blankets. See, all these blankets, crochet blankets. But they didn't have the kit that I wanted. So I decided to leave it for the time being. I thought I can go on the website and buy it at a later date. I mean, I'm going to the show again, so maybe it's because we went on a Sunday. Next time maybe we'll go on a Friday, and they'll have more kits. But yeah, but lots of lovely crochet blankets. So yeah, I did like the Mexican diamond one, but yes, and these blue ones. So yeah, so all in all, a really fun day. So yes, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.